First, take your strips and make sure that strip B is not bigger than strip A. If you find that your B is a bit wider, as I have here, set A on top of B, use a marker to color the exposed B strip underneath, and then cut that off of B. Each strip is scored on the purple lines. While not necessary, it does help if you start by folding each strip exactly on the purple horizontal lines. Next, turn it over with the pink side on the right and fold on the diagonal purple line. Just don't let the white triangle go past the fold line on the left. Then, fold the red bottom section like this. Make sure that none of the red is showing in your white triangle and the fold is on the purple line. Turn it like so and tuck the green section in the white triangle. Push this part in and again fold on the purple line and crease well. Set this aside and repeat with strip B. Fold on the purple lines. Note here, I folded past the purple diagonal line to make sure no red was showing on the bottom fold. Tuck the end into the triangle, push the tab through, and crease well on the purple line. Push the pink tab on A back and make a box. You can secure it with a tiny bit of tape. Now pull up on the top of the cube to expose some of the green and to make room to put B inside. Now turn B so the B is showing upside down. Slide B's tab a bit into A and turn B. The trick to this next step is to go slow and get the bottom corner of B into A first and then wiggle the other corners in. Try to hold the top of A from popping out, but if it does, you can just tuck it back in and try putting B in again. Once you get B in a bit, lightly tap it the rest of the way and push all sides together to form a bug cube. Print out and make more.